Bola Tinubu Wikipedia page. They don't lock up. This one is sweet, but I don't understand. Liars upon liars. They lock the page. Why? Matter reach me. Say he change. This man change in age like 100 times. He go chuku. Before you know, I don't go again. Chuku. You don't go again. Chuku. Just the change. Wikipedia say, bros, waiting. Say we don't die. For now, no, this man just celebrate his birthday some weeks ago. Where I not just understand the whole thing self can bring confusion for social media. After I celebrate his birthday, people come dey debate inside the confusion. Oh. Say, how old be this man? Some say na 69, some say na 79, some say na 84, some say, in fact, everybody they bring, I can't wonder, say, how many mamas this man gets. People can't they take mother position on top this man head. They give her different age. Now wetin come lead to the lockdown. Wikipedia say they don't tire. Today it change am. Tomorrow, my people up to 100 times. Kilo day. Wetin this man they find? Wetin they find? Wahala wear tank top. Wahala. He wear tank top. Unbelievable. Aproko deje. For now when they talk say Tinubu na 69 years old. I beg how? For which dream una dreamer? 69. This old car, I beg bring a picture of you. For now, I don't know which eye una they get to. This man now una they see 69. No, una come, all of una. No, I need wash una eyes with pure water. How can this man be 69 when in daughter na 60? How this man go be 69? Una dey think at all. Meaning say he pour the thing when I beg I not just like all these kind of things. Make una see. Sometimes una go sit down where every time see anything about APC members now lies and deceit. Everything. Nothing, see, these people never bring one thing out where we go say, okay, this one at least. Now, everything lies, deceit, embarrassment, shame, anything about APC. I don't even just understand. Why be saying only Wikipedia can't lock this man page? They lock him himself too. They for lock and join, see. I for happy, my people. I for send all of una. What did they call that? I for send all of una 10K. Hey, if they lock this man, una never see me before. Madam Aproko in action. Una go see me that day. Not be joke. I bet they supposed look as Wikipedia do you. This one too go do you. So this man carrying wayo spirit enter Wikipedia. Hey! Chineke. Well, of the way they call her president, make una see una president too. Changing age. Meaning say for this man to the change age. I don't know if I dey make mistake, but as I dey see and this man don't reach 84. If not be 86 safe. How that would tell me say this man na 69? I beg. See, make una just see. She forget this nonsense. If you want this man as president for 2023, if you now want him as president for 2023, then they say you don't want progress. You don't want progress for this life where you as you come. You don't want progress. Anybody will look this baboon. Tell me say you want as president. Which president? You know better me when I even vote for me self. Me will not say you understand. See the way in our life goes sweet. Go they do now like honey. Every day of your life, in fact, now you go tired. You go they talk say you don't do now. You don't do. These people they just get sweet mouth before they enter. By the time they enter now, I just wish said. In fact, may all platforms self block them. May all not just Wikipedia, YouTube, Instagram, any platform, any social media platform is inside. May they just block them. Pata, make we no see them. I don't just understand. EFCC now, you know see this one go arrest. The real fraudsters, now them be this. Una not see them go arrest. The real thieves. Now go they rush, now they do. My people are begging. I say I go bring a corner side of one. We don't even know wetin dey happen. The first time sef, you go change in age change. I beg sorry drop the comment for that comment section. I will reply now one by one as usual. Make sure say you share this video. We must expose all of them and put them to shame. Very, very important. Subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go to miss matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story. Papa Ned don't bring us another one. When last night I hear from Papa Ned, oh man, don't miss this man. My people in matter just land like this from international airport of you understand, the other side of Nigeria. According to this man, he say because people don't they question him, and he be like say the thing don't reach it here. He don't come outside now. Cause they give us reasons why he marry more than one wife and why he prefer them very, very young. Hi, now wow, this man get interview with BBC Igbo, where they come the question am. So he come they tell them say the economical reason behind the choice of polygamy. You understand? For this man get grammar, and now he come to say an average northerner, average northerner, if he get 2 wives. And that one, the reason why an average northerner fit get 2 wives now because it dey help the women from stop to dey sleep around. He can't add on top. Say if a northerner marry 2, 3, 4 wives, 5 wives, say it dey help the society because as we dey like this, people no go dey too fight. Say I no get husband, no, I no get husband. It dey help them. And if you calculate them according to Rai, say the northerner will get 5 wives, 5 children. And Igbo man will get 1 wife, 4 children. By the next 10 years, if you check that northerner will get 5 wives and 10 children, they go down multiply, the population go down increase. Make una see person way of thinking, reasoning, in way of reasoning, population and be problem. And the one way even they pay me pass, you they help women from stop sleeping around. So my question now, because my question now, all the northerners wey marry wives, they tell una say they know they sleep around. Because you dey use this one as an excuse. Not hey, oh, people wey are no see, I get people from these people side. I get they plenty. If una dey see wetin I dey see. Under that thing where they wear cover body, if una dey see things where they knock under that side, you say not now they help them, they help them to stop sleeping around. The same not now where they marry 100 wives, all in the name of so that they will not sleep around. If you know which kind, even your own brother said for that same house where they stay, if they do something with them. Not be by marrying 100 wives, oh, bros. If you like marry the whole this thing, who won't cheat, go still cheat. So no bring that one come to my side. Well done, oh, Papa Ned. I hear you. Now why you they marry your great grandchildren age? See head like coconut. Come outside, they preach this one. Last my people, Ned walk on the video, they go reach everybody. The way they see her. Because the way they see Ned own. He never even starts. We they count 6 wives, 7 wives. He never even start to. As he be like this man. Una go hear say Ned don't get your own country inside Nigeria. In family alone go become country. They go be one nation. Every time this man come outside to talk, you know they pass women. Anytime, no, una don't check am. When did Ned Woko come outside say they can't talk about maybe security of the country or something, or advise people how to do business? No, when I hear them. You know they pass woman, you know they pass I married Regina in 3 weeks. You know they pass I love them young. You know they every time. I will bring our number 6 outside. Some secrets just they reveal. Auntie Reggie, our number 6. The only 6 in this, every other 6 that counterfeit. According to Papa Ned, the message where he bring us, you understand? Now I call you outside. I beg, because as he talk now he mean say you are now, you understand? But first, my question be say, you been dey sleep around before you and Ned meet. How many around you sleep? Make I know, because na wetin him tell us. He say he dey marry una because he dey try help una so that una no go dey sleep around. Because how many around you sleep? Hi! And the around where you dey sleep, because according to Papa Ned, he say una meet for a house. You sure say na for a house? Abi una meet for street? Hi! See? My people, some secrets are revealing and re-revealing. No, na be the thing. Na me say these people they Ned na bad. Abeg, you can go, eh? We already know. We don't even need. My people, na be the thing. You understand? They last, my people, for this life, make money. Make money in this life. If na poor man come out talk this one now, una go insult am. Una go in fact, una go even find your address, go beat am. Because I need Nwoko and he get money. Una dey clap, una dey hail am, una dey do this. Bros, just tell us simple. Maybe they plan, maybe this man don't they plan bring another wife. Just tell us, we know, we're already used to the system. In fact, we're even expecting another one. And stop justifying the nonsense you are doing. You are marrying underage and you are coming here to tell us you are helping them from stopping prostitution. Who you help? You don't bath. They can't help us. See, my people, make I tell you something. This one, if you not like, make una hear am. If you not like, hold on tight. Because I know they see any reasonable thing inside this matter. Not only by marrying woman, you dey help them from stop sleeping around. What happened to empowering women? Una see why they tell una say this man, if they come out, you know they bring one reasonable thing. Okay, you notice say women they sleep around. What is the solution apart from marrying? Why every time marriage? Why you no fit host one seminar to empower women? Why you no fit provide business? Since you too get money, like they say you get money. Why you no? There are other ways to make women stop sleeping around. If truly we are sleeping around, there are many ways. Which can be marrying underage, marrying this one. If you not like listen, no. Since I know you people. Any small thing will come, now will just get because it comes from one billionaire. Now one taker. Get sense, so you get why? Get sense. I say I go bring a corner aside because you don't expose our number 6. Hey! So Regina been the anyhow, I know people about Nigeria say okro they draw. I just deliver message from our papa. You understand? So I mean, how they drop the comment for that comment section. I'll make sure say you share this video because the secrets are coming out one by one. Subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go dey miss matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.